and welcome to Fund to Money. Here we're going to be discussing some of the important things that you need to know and do when you're taking credit card EMI. So a lot of people are using credit cards and they make purchases, and some of these purchases are big ticket purchases, and banks offer them EMIs. Now, what are the things that you need to know, things that you need to do when you're taking a credit card EMI so that you can smartly use credit card EMIs? That's the idea. So we'll be telling you, giving you the details, telling you the strategies, but that's coming up in just a little while. We're talking about how to smartly use credit card EMIs. So we can divide the discussion in a couple of parts. Number one, the first part is why should you be doing it when it makes sense. Second is some of the basic things, parameters, features that you should be looking in credit card EMI. And third is basically things that you need to keep in mind with these two areas being discussed. So let's get started. Let's talk about when it makes sense to use credit card EMI. So if you cannot repay the amount you use, you're going to buy something, you spend money, and in the same billing cycle you cannot pay it, that's when it makes sense for you to consider credit card EMIs. Typically it's for big ticket purchases. The other is you don't want, the scene is such that you don't want a pressure on your budget or your cash flows. You don't want suddenly you spend on something which is important, attractive, getting a very good discount, and you don't want a pressure on the cash flow. So that's when credit card EMIs make sense. The other time when it makes a lot of sense is when you don't want to take up a large outstanding amount on which you will incur a lot of interest. There will be a lot of interest impact is going to be large, because the moment you take by a large amount, credit card interest rates, as we know, are huge. So you will be incurring a lot of interest costs. So it's going to balloon up quite a bit. You feel uncomfortable doing that. That's when credit card EMIs might just make sense. So this is roughly some of the times when credit card EMIs will make sense. So what are some of the features that you should be keeping in mind when you're looking at credit card EMIs? So number one is you need to figure out whether the purchase that you're making, does it even qualify for your credit card EMI. So typically there has to be minimum ticket size for any transaction to qualify for a credit card EMI. So check whether it's meeting that threshold of the minimum ticket size. It could be 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, whatever it is, right? Then of course the interest rate is very important, as is the case with any loan. That interest rate is typically lesser than the credit card interest rate, the regular credit card interest rate. So at the moment it would be move at somewhere around 16 to 22%. It could be completely different depending on your profile, your previous track record of paying. So it depends on what is the deal between you, the credit card issuing bank, and you, right? But then you will typically, as I mentioned, the interest rate would be low. There could be a zero interest rate also, or a concessional interest rate depending on that particular item, depending on if it's a promotion or a deal that's happening. These things could be actually be happening. Now, important thing for you to remember is the interest will be charged on a reducing balance. So every cycle you're paying the EMI, the outstanding amount is getting reduced. So on that, interest is being charged. Like any loan, regular loan, you pay both principal and interest, and interest portion tends to be larger in the initial period of the loan. That is exactly what's going to happen here as well. So the other thing, that the feature that you need to look at is the EMI amount. What is the EMI amount that you're going to be paying? Because if it's an unmanageable thing, it's still going to put in pressure on your budget. Then it probably doesn't make sense for you to take a credit card EMI. So you need to keep that in mind. The other thing is, of course, the tenure. It can move from 3 months to 2 years. It could be more depending on what the deal is. Um, you also need to remember that longer tenure you take, more interest you're going to pay out. That's an obvious thing. But that brings us to the next point. What is going to be the total cost? First, you're paying for something which you had to pay in any case. Then you're paying interest because you don't want. That's the convenience. That's charge interest is the charge for the convenience. So the question is, what is going to be that total amount? When you add that amount, is that amount intimidating you? If that amount is becoming scary, you need to avoid credit card EMI. Maybe defer the purchase, do something else, buy something else. So you need to keep that in mind. Also, credit card EMI depends on the available credit limit that you have. If the limit you don't have an available credit limit, so suppose if you're buying something worth 50,000 and you don't have a credit limit of that much, then I'm afraid credit card EMI will be out of your access. So this is something that you need to keep in mind. Apart from that, you need to take care of keep in mind that there's going to be a processing charge. So when you move from a regular transaction, credit card transaction, to an EMI, there's likely to be a processing charge. Sometimes these get waived off, right? So all these zero cost credit card EMIs, etc., are basically where processing charges are getting waived off. So apart from that, there could be a prepayment penalty. If you want to pay your credit card EMI before time, you might have to pay a prepayment penalty. So you need to figure that out. If you want to knock off that loan early and you're having to pay more, keep that in mind. Also, apart from that, there are charges for delayed payment or non-payment. They are pretty steep, and so basically, in that case, remember, you're not only paying the EMI, but you'll have to pay this penalty as well. So if it's a very prohibitive charge and you're already on the edge or on the margin, maybe you would want to think again about using a credit card EMI. Remember, you can use a credit card EMI at the time of purchase or within a stipulated period of time, depends on the credit card issuer. So within that period, if you want to convert it, you can go there. In fact, if you go to your net banking, you can see that they give you an option when you're looking at the statement. They give you the option of converting it into an EMI. Now let's come quickly to some of the things that you need to keep in mind in terms of strategy. When you're using a credit card EMI, the flip side is that your credit limit is getting reduced by the proportion of the principal amount. So 50,000 you're wanting to spend, that is the amount by which your credit limit is going to get reduced. As you keep repaying your paying your EMI, then it gets regained. You reclaim that credit limit regularly every cycle. So that much you on an even basis you're reclaiming. Apart from that, you need to check whether any discount that is being offered will go away from you if you use the credit card EMI. Sometimes they are mutually exclusive, so you need to keep that in mind. If you're going to take more than 3 months to pay up something, that's when credit card EMIs make sense. In the For the minimum payment that you will make after you take credit card EMIs, the credit card EMI is going to get added. If you have an outstanding amount, you were regularly paying that outstanding amount, and the minimum amount was substantial, credit card EMI is going to add up to that burden. So while you're not facing that burden upfront, subsequently you're going to face it. So do you want to do that? Also check whether some of the alternatives like personal loan are going to work for you or not. Maybe they'll work out cheaper if you're a regular bank customer. These things are very, very, very important for you, right? So these are some of the things that you need to keep in mind when you're using or you're planning to use a credit card EMI. So I sincerely hope you found this useful. If you liked it, hit the like button, share it with others, subscribe to our channels, get connected with us on all leading social media networks. Till the next time, take very good care of yourself. Goodbye.